Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, my people, me there again once more. Big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. You see? Yeah, my people, so I have a video that I'm going to present to you about. Let me try and explain certain things about this video to the best of my ability before we present the video to you. See? So, the video that I'm about to present to you have been brought to my attention by someone, and I got the understanding that the video shows some things that happened during a confrontation or an argumentative situation between police officers and the civilians from within the country of Jamaica. The video also shows a motor vehicle with the words funeral home on the motor vehicle. Yeah, the video shows a coffin or a casket inside of something that was attached to the motor vehicle, and someone was driving the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers, and what the police had done angered quite a number of persons. See, I also got the understanding that the video had been recorded on a day that a funeral was planned or set for a person who died. See, the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. I'm going to point out certain things to you as well, viewers and subscribers, and please bear in mind that you can hear persons yelling and shouting in this video. You can also hear quite a number of harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
Video man. Écoute, il va jungle go on is not going yasa, no gun no there yasa, one no there yasa, one no there yasa. Them is not gunman I see no yasa, where them a do yasa? No gunman no there, no gunman no there. No gunman no there. Nobody can get the burial order. Nobody can get it. Nobody can get that. Yeah, better for we, better for we. Better for we. Do no. Yeah, better for we. Do no. And we are going to lose, and we are going to lose if we go back at the funeral home. And we are going to lose. Don't know. What I feel like? My brother not deserve this tonight. You not even know. Remember me, I tell you, man. Remember me, tell you, my brother, you not deserve this. Remember me, tell you, my brother. And a joking thing, me, I tell you, yeah. And a joking thing. That me, I tell you, my brother. Yo, Jeff, easy yourself now, dog. Easy yourself now, you. Easy yourself now, dog. Easy yourself now, brother. But this can't move. It can't move.
Where are some
Him have to go in our church. 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 Him have to go in our church.
Watch me now, watch out. Make him run the money, no, and we're gonna make the rest. Tell him to run the money now and pay for the
Oh no, we do. No, we take back the money and we can't get made arrested.
Then if in the church,
yeah.
No, my church. I'm going like a one dog there. I'm just trying to wall. Him forget church.
Yeah, him forget church. Forget church. And Dan funeral keep how much set fire Dan funeral and nothing go on. And nothing go on. Don't know. Yo, where you plan for that? Plan for take back the money then and can't get made arrested. Take back the 30,000 then. Simple.
anyway, I'm happy there from we there.
Yeah.
Very good church in over there. What the one them? Who first come take them?
Them same one me here say come, yeah. Them same one me here say come.
And them shoot somebody round.
May I ask first thing, sir? So what are you saying now? We must just go with the body,
Alright, my people, John know the situation they look away, you know, and a situation like that can upset the loved ones of the person who died of your subscribers. Yes, so I say, so I can understand a situation like this being somewhat upsetting to the loved ones of the person who died. Alright, my people, so I'm just going to point out some things. Yes, so I say, now, one of the police service motor vehicles that you can see in the video have ST.Andrew South Div. Special Operation 3 marked on the police service vehicle. If you look carefully and look good at the video. So I say, yeah, and in the video me hear when someone mentioned the words burial order. So that had me thinking right there, so. Yeah man, that had me thinking right there, so. And if you look at the video carefully, you can see someone's name on the casket or the coffin that you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah man, you know. And if you listen to the video carefully to viewers and subscribers, you can hear when more than one person's mentioned the word church. See? Yeah. Church him. You see me? Just listen carefully. You know. So all of them things them as a point out, right? So, right? Now, overall, me I wonder what really and truly happened. Why police interrupted what was going on there. That's my overall thinking. Me I try to get a good understanding. Me get some form of idea, but me not get no confirmed information as to what really and truly caused police to interrupt what was going on right there. You understand? Yeah man, just listen to the video carefully. You can hear when someone mentioned about money in the video. You see me? Or at least one person mentioned about money in the video. You can hear when the word shot mentioned in the video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See? You can hear other things in the video that might give you hints and clues as to what happened really and truly. You see me? I have an idea what might have happened, but me not jump to no conclusion. So the video, the right, that's other people. See? Just to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, this video has been out there on social media for some time now. I'm not sure how long, you know, but it had been out there for some time now. Someone brought the video to my attention. And, you know, we do little research and got the understanding that the video had been out there on social media for some time now, viewers and subscribers. You see me, I say, yeah, but me still I wonder why would police interrupt, you know, what was going on there, you know, and, you know, me not get no information as to what happened after that video be recorded then. Let me say it like that, viewers and subscribers, you know. Me just point out certain things to your viewers and subscribers because, you know, me is the kind of person so me stay in my life to point out the hints and clues and see if me can get an understanding, but me still not gonna jump to no assumption, you see. But you can tell me what you think to people, see? Me just point out them things to you and you can tell me what you think, you know. I guess I left it now. So, big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.